Hi, and welcome to our John Rennie virtual open house. I'm Ms. Prada, the school principal, and I'm very pleased to show you the various programs and initiatives that we have to offer our students. We have some fantastic students who will take you on a tour of the building. Enjoy your tour.
John Rennie High School serves a vibrant school community that is socially, economically, and culturally diverse. The school opened in 1955 and bears the name of the Honorable John Rennie, member of the Legislative Assembly. Mr. Rennie was the force behind the government's decision to provide a badly needed English secondary school on the West Island.
John Rennie High School reflects the cultural mosaic of the Canadian nation and has a dynamic mission.
Championing students striving for excellence in academics, athletics, leadership, and the arts.
Our school's vision is to develop the 21st century knowledge, skills, aptitudes, and interests of all John Rennie students in a stimulating, nurturing, and enriching school environment.
JRHS serves a full spectrum of youth, targeting students' needs through a wide variety of academic programs aimed at specific strengths and interests.
These programs include Academic Plus, French Immersion, English Stream, and the provincially recognized Sport Études. Our success rates are among the highest in the province.
We hope you'll enjoy this virtual presentation prepared for you by the staff and students of our wonderful school. Sit back, relax, and learn all that John Rennie has to offer.